Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you Flexclip AI tutorial. So how you can use Flexclip to generate AI videos. So the first step, you need to open Flexclip, and here you can see different tools. So here you can see AI video script and different tools. So we are going to use AI video generator. So once AI video generator is open, here you can see that AI text to video, article, URL to video. So we are going to generate video with text. So here you can describe about your video or you can add text. So I'm going to share example text 10 best places to visit in Dubai, for example. Okay, then you simply need to click on generate. Okay, so now once you click on that, it will start generating your video. So it will take few seconds depend on upon your script, and it will generate video. And once your video is generated, you simply need to click here, and after that you need to select in which resolution you want to export, and you simply need to click here to export the video. So this is the process how you can use Flexclip to generate videos with the help of AI. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.